In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a limited PayPal account. If your account has been limited, don't worry. This process is straightforward when you know where to go and what to submit. A limitation usually means PayPal needs a bit more information to keep your account secure and compliant, and you can resolve it by following a few guided steps inside your account. Start by signing in on PayPal.com or through the PayPal app. Use your regular login details, and if you're prompted for extra security, complete the verification by entering the SMS code or confirming through WhatsApp. This step helps protect your account, so make sure you're accessing the official PayPal site or app before you enter any details. Once you're in, look for the Help section. On desktop, you'll typically find Help at the top right or down in the footer. On mobile, open the main menu and you should see Help listed there. This is the hub for resolving most account issues, including limitations. Inside Help, scroll until you find the Disputes and Limitations area. Tap or click to open it. This section groups together resources related to restricted accounts so you don't have to dig around for answers. From there, go to the Resolution Center. This is the key page that explains exactly why your account is limited and what actions you need to take. You'll see a clear checklist or messages outlining what PayPal needs from you to lift the limitation. Complete the required actions one by one. Common requests include verifying your identity, uploading a photo ID or proof of address, and confirming your personal or business details. Read each instruction carefully and make sure the information you submit matches what's on your PayPal profile. When uploading documents, use clear, well-lit images or PDFs with all corners visible and avoid cropping out any details. Double-check expiration dates and that your name and address are consistent across documents. Submitting accurate, legible files the first time can speed up the review. After you've provided everything requested, all that's left is to wait for PayPal to review your submission. You'll receive an update by email or inside your account once the review is complete. If everything checks out, the limitation will be lifted automatically. Processing times can vary depending on what was requested, but most reviews are handled in a reasonable time frame. To wrap up, always ensure your documents are valid and clear and that your PayPal information matches your ID. Following the on-screen instructions in the Resolution Center is the fastest way to fix a limited account. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more practical PayPal tips and tutorials.